Alright, so today we're looking at this really old snowblower. It's a Gilson Snowblower with a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. The label's kind of faded out there, but you can clearly see the G, and it says Gilson. I'm not sure what that says, but it has something to do with throwing snow. Anyway, this is the Gilson snow thrower. Let's take a look at the model number. I see it's down here. We got a tag. Gilson Brothers, made in Plymouth, Wisconsin. All right, and that's the Briggs & Stratton engine. Now this snowblower, somebody asked me to get it running for them, and I had to take the carburetor off and basically replace it. So there's the new carburetor. Now let's get this thing started and show you how it works. Well, unfortunately the knob on the throttle is missing here. So that would be to put it in high speed. And that would be to choke or neutral. Should be good to go. Gas is turned on. Alright, don't know what was going on there at the end, but there it is. One Gilson snowblower. Alright, thanks for watching.